Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
And sorry for the last class which I missed. So we have completed the poem, The Wind, as well as one chapter, right?
Your voice is cutting. No, ma'am, it is not cutting.
What is the voice is cutting? It should be like, ma'am, your voice is lagging. It can't be cutting. What is cutting? Who is cutting? Where is the scissor? Huh? ओके, चलो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. I'll just share the screen with you all. Let me log in with my laptop as well so that I can present the screen. Otherwise, what will I present? Book is in the laptop. हो जो भाई शुरू.
Recording in progress.
Now it's good. It automatically goes on the unmute one. My God.
मैम आपकी दो आवाज आ रही
अभी भी आ रही है?
यस
No, अभी तो नहीं आ रही है. Please don't tell lie.
मैम नहीं आ रही
अब नहीं आ रही है. We have to do the adventures of Toto, right? What I have shared. Wow, I've shared my screen. So intelligent I am. Now it's perfect. Okay. So the screen is shared and my video is also on. Are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
properly audible
Properly audible? Very good. Okay. Have you ever had any pet? Forget about Toto. You know who is Toto, right?
No, ma'am.
Toto is the monkey, baby monkey. But have you ever had any pet?
No, ma'am.
Favorite, fish, dog, cat, cow, buffalo, goat.
No, ma'am, but I want a dog. My
Yes, ma'am. Me too.
Ma'am, my one of the dream is to purchase a dog.
Don't buy. We in Ahmedabad we get the pets or especially the dogs and cats on.
But ma'am, my mother agrees no.
Yes, ma'am. Our
My
parents
mother will
don't
agree
allow.
I can get it, but not.
Who will take care of it? यही बोलते हैं मम्मा. Who will take care of it then? You
No,
will
ma'am.
go.
No, ma'am,
No, ma'am.
actually,
They said we already have 2 pets.
Huh?
They said we already have 2 dogs. They're
Ah.
considering us as dogs.
yes, ma'am. They,
When I brought a dog, my mom said, when I was about to bring a dog, my mom said, अगर तू कोई भी कुत्ता बिल्ली घर में लेके आई तो मैं तुझे घर से बाहर निकाल दूंगी, याद रख लेना.
मैम
मैं नहीं
टॉर्टोइस इससे अच्छा टॉर्टोइस अच्छा होता है.
टॉर्टोइस अच्छा होता है. वो पता
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
डॉग लेकर आ गई थी घर में. मैं तो घर पे लेके
मैम
आ गई
मुझे
थी
तो
dog.
टॉर्टोइस मिला था
आपको मिला था. इट्स वेरी गुड व्हेन यू
विलेज
गेट
में.
animals, pets in the gift, right? I had one dog from my dadi and one from my friend. He gave me a Labrador. Then
ma'am, is ma'am,
after an age, they both died. Now I have a German Shepherd, so I love pets. One after another, I keep on keeping them.
ma'am, seriously, you have German Shepherd?
Yes, I have German Shepherd, but not here at Rajasthan.
Ma'am,
And
but
he
you are lucky. At least you have pets, dogs. We
Ah,
don't have any dog.
I have many funny things related to them. When my eldest son he was very small, like hardly 1.5 months or 2 months, 2-3 months, and I kept him for the sunlight. We used to keep the babies outside in the sun, na? So I made him lie here there, and it was too hot. So as soon as he started crying, both of my dogs, they holded the bed sheet from the corners and they dragged him in the shade.
Ma'am, one is a very, ma'am, my sister, I want to tell you something. It is very funny. My elder sister right now, she is in Surat, Miss cousin. When she was small, no, she went to play down. She saw a puppy. She picked it up, came to home, put that puppy in living room and ran to the bedroom.
Ma'am,
What,
once
milk
I
and all?
also got a tortoise, which was turtle. Sorry.
Okay.
Where
Actually, keeping a turtle at home is illegal. You know this?
yes, ma'am, because we have to bring aquarium also, food for it, and ma'am, when I was going to archery classes there only, beside that class,
Oh, you are learning archery?
no, ma'am, I was learning.
Oh, means you were learning, na? Mahi. Oh, you were learning archery. Very good. I'm so proud of you, beta. It's a very good art.
Ma'am, so beside that coaching center, there was a lake. So one day a small turtle came out of it. So I decided to take it, but because of fear of the mom, I leave it there only.
Ah, no issues. After this corona gets over, continue with your training and become a successful archer. God bless you. Anyone else who has any story to tell about their pets?
Ma'am, I have tortoise.
You have tortoise. I had a parrot also in my auntie's house, my chachi's house. And
Ma'am, in my
as
house.
soon as I enter, na, as soon as I enter, because my cousin was very angry always, he did never want me to come there. So what he taught to the parrot, Anshu की बच्ची चली जाए यहाँ से. और जैसे ही मैं जाती थी, the parrot starts speaking in the same way. Anshu की बच्ची चली जाए यहाँ से. Anshu की बच्ची चली जाए यहाँ से. Then I hated to go at that place, and I was very small at that time. Now we have a loving bonding with each other, and now the parrot is no more, but there are lovely memories.
I'm scared of animals, dogs.
Huh?
I'm scared of dogs.
You are scared of dogs? Dogs are not the things which you are scared of, which you should be scared of. देखो, एक तो जो लोग मर गए हैं, सुनो सुनो, जो लोग मर गए हैं उनसे डरने की जरूरत नहीं है कभी भी, क्योंकि वो कुछ नहीं करते. और एक एनिमल्स, स्पेशली द पेट्स, द डॉग्स एंड ऑल, वो कुछ नहीं करते. हाँ ठीक है, किसी दूसरे का है तो उसके नजदीक मत जाना, बाकी जनरली नहीं करते. और खुद के होते हैं तो वो तो बहुत सेंसिबल होते हैं, बहुत. बोलो, कौन बोल रहा था अभी?
मैम, मेरा है ना एक रिलेटिव के डॉग है मैम. जब भी मैं जाती हूँ ना, 1 महीना 8 महीना, वो पहले तो गेट के ऐसे बाहर खड़े रहता है. जब जैसे ही गेट खुलता है ना, मेरे ऊपर ही चढ़ चढ़ जाता है.
हाँ, ऐसा ही करते हैं सब.
और मैम मेरा पूरा फेस लिक कर देता है, पूरा फेस चाट लेता है.
He loves you. That means he loves you. He missed you so much. That is
And
the
then one day,
way of.
one night he came to my daddy's home. Actually, we have bungalow and we have the entrance of the society is outside. Means so when मैं जब आ रही थी मेरे पापा के साथ, एक्जैक्टली मैं जब गेट के जो एंट्रेंस होती है ना, अरे हाँ, एंट्रेंस होती है ना, वहां में मैं आ रही थी, उसने सूंघ लिया मुझे और भौंकने लगा.
They have very strong sense. They come to know from very far that the whom they love, that these people are coming, and they started jumping and showing expressions towards that thing. I had a cat also. It was a wild cat. It came, the small baby cat was there. It came to my house and I made him enter. It was sitting outside my flat and all, but just crying, meow, meow, meow. I opened the door and it entered inside very nicely, like उसके पापा जी का घर है. घुस गई बस. And we were very, means I was staying alone at that time. So whenever I used to work on the laptop, madam हमेशा, she used to sit on my laptop. ये काम नहीं करने देना. In the night when I'm sleeping, so I had to sleep like this because she keeps her head on my hand and then she sleeps. Then one day the door was open and it went out and it jumped from the lift panel. और वो lift ऊपर थी उस time पे. उसको निकलने की जगह मिली नहीं और वो लिफ्ट आ गई ऊपर से and it got smashed.
और मैम, आप उसको जो भी, वो कुछ भी खाने को तैयार है. आप पानी पूरी दोगे खा लेगा, आइसक्रीम दोगे खा लेगा, सब. केक भी
So
खाता है,
sweet.
पिज्जा भी खाता है, मंचूरियन भी खाता है. बोलो,
सब खिलाया उसको. हाँ, ऐसा
बस
सबको सब
नॉनवेज
कुछ
के
खिलाया.
सिवाय, नॉनवेज के सिवाय सब खिलाया है मैम. इतना क्यूट है ना.
Very nice, very nice. So there are lot of stories. If you don't meet them for years, then also they remember you. That's such a sharp memory these dogs are having. And dog doesn't have the color sense. They always see in black and white. If you really wanted to see how dogs faithful to you or how much they are faithful to you, watch Hachiko. And show it to your parents as well. Their mode will change, I'm telling you. हाँ, ये एक बाउंडेशन हो जाती है कि जब आप बाहर जाते हो तो you cannot leave them alone at home. And then they need the care just like a baby. You have to keep them in daycare and all. So it is the thing, maybe possible because of that they are not allowing you. But yes, they are the best friends of humans. Okay, let's come back to the
Ma'am, but whenever they died now, like something feels in our heart.
That happens
Why
with
they
everyone,
died.
beta. See, it's not only about dogs. Dogs are having the age of 12 years or 15 years. But humans also have a certain age, na? Even humans depart. It's not like that only dogs depart. Right? Marna to ek din sabko hai. When I was in second or third standard, we used to have a goat. 3-4 goats we were having. Out of that, one was there. Whenever wherever she is in the entire colony. We used to stay in the colony, and wherever she is. But at the time of our school arrival, like the moment we are about to reach 4 o'clock, we were reaching the house, and she was there at 3:55 on the door. Exact. वो कहीं से भी आ ही जाती थी. She was like that. Chalo, let's come back to the chapter. Here, the experiences, the adventures of a baby monkey is shown. Okay. Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Okay. Now, this is a humorous and adventurous story of a naughty monkey named Toto. The writer's grandfather bought the monkey from a Tonga driver. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting way and make the story a must read for us. Okay, I have a video as well of it. Do you want to see the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me do that then. I have to do a little bit of exercise because I have to search it on Google. 1 second. Okay, I found it. I'll just share it with you. Let me share the screen. It's taking a little bit of time, so we need to wait.
Ma'am, it is visible.
हाँ, I just wanted to make it full screen so that you can see it very clearly. Oh, it has come. My network is a little bit slow, so you need to wait till it gets started. Oh, I have kept the mic on off. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I can't able to hear the voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Me too.
What? Voice is not coming?
Yes, ma'am. Voice is not coming.
Not audible, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have to share the computer sound.
Actually, this is the chapter explanation only. तो वो तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ. Why would I go with this? I thought it is the animation kind of thing. So good to see that, but no. As much I heard, it is just the explanation. So I'll just keep the chapter handy with me and I'll explain it to you. So grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Again, I'm saying it's an old time story when 5 rupees were very much. Okay. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. And the monkey looked so out of place that the grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. That means he was not at all in the good condition in the with the Tonga driver. So he felt pity on it and he thought that he should bring it to him. Feeding trough means a large container for feeding animals. Okay, keep the pencil handy with you and write down the word means wherever I'm saying, okay? Am I audible?
Ma'am, can you repeat feeding meaning?
Yeah, feeding trough, TROUGH, that is written in this chapter. Its meaning is a large container for feeding animals. Okay. Fine. So and Tonga is the horse cart. So the writer's grandfather purchased a monkey named Toto from the Tonga driver by paying 5 rupees to him. Okay. The Tonga driver had tied the little red colored monkey to a feeding trough so that he could run away. When the writer's grandfather saw the monkey, he had a desire to add him to the collection of animals which he had in his zoo at home. He had his personal zoo at home. Okay. Now, okay. I'll just scroll it a little bit so that when I'm reading, you will be able to see what I'm reading. First paragraph I already explained, so let's begin from the second one. Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. Now, this is the description of the monkey, that is Toto. So that description is very important. You can underline that so that in exam when it is coming, so you can easily write about it. Okay. It was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. And his teeth, which were purely white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. This entire I'm reading and then I'll explain it to you. Okay, but his hand looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks. I have someone at the door. Just excuse me for 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is the entire description of Toto. Please interact wherever you are feeling problem or doubtful. I am
Okay, ma'am.
explaining after reading. Okay, I'm going to
Okay,
explain after reading.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail while adding to his good looks. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. Also served as a third hand. How is it a third hand? You must have seen the monkeys hanging on the tree with the help of their tail. It's very strong, right? He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. उसके हाथ से बड़ी तो उसकी पूंछ होती है. Yes or no?
यस मैम,
Yes,
कभी
ma'am.
हम उसको बंद कर देते तो चाबी लेके खोल देता है.
Anglo-Indian. Who are Anglo-Indian? A person relating to both Britain and India. Okay, we have Anglo-Indians in India. You know this? In the parliament also we have Anglo-Indians, and the president has right to choose 2 Anglo-Indians in the houses, in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. You know this?
नो मैम.
Yes, ma'am, I knew it.
मैम.
He has that right. Okay. Pickled. What is pickle? Pickle पता है ना सबको क्या होता है?
मैम हम गुजराती में कहे तो हाँ.
अचार. पिकल क्या होता है? अचार होता है ना? तो मम्मी ने जब भी घर पे अचार बनाया, मम्मी ने, नानी ने, दादी ने जब भी अचार बनाया तो धूप में रखती मम्मी.
यस मैम, हमें भेजती है रखने के लिए.
हाँ. So the food that is preserved in vinegar, that is called pickle. Okay. Scooping up. What is the meaning of? Keep on writing the word meaning, students. I'm telling you. I have told about Anglo-Indian, pickled. Now I'm telling about scooping up. What is scooping up? Lifting. What is scooping up? Lifting. Okay. So the writer gives the description of Toto in this entire paragraph. He had bright, shiny eyes.
मैम व्हाट इज विक्ड?
Wicked, mischievous, बदमाश, शैतान, खुराफाती. और कितने सिनोनिम्स चाहिए तुम्हें समझने के लिए? नटखट. नटखट तो मिस्चीवियस और नटखट सेम हो जाता है. विकेट होता है बहुत शातिर किस्म का बदमाश होता है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड विकेट, बुरे इंटेंशंस वाला. लेकिन यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा नटखट वाले के लिए यूज हुआ है. So let's see what in the simplest meanings it is given. Like he had bright shiny eyes which were full of mischief. The eyebrows were deeply set on his face. His teeth were like pearls. Many ladies belonging to the Anglo-Indian community got scared when they saw his teeth, which were displayed when he smiled. Toto's hands were dry and wrinkled, as if they had been dried in the sun like pickled vegetables. So when I read this line, but his hands looked dried up as though he had been pickled in the sun for many years. This line means that his hands were dry and wrinkled, as if they had been dried in the sun like pickled vegetables. He had a long tail. The writer's grandfather thought that the tail added to the good looks of an animal. Toto's tail was like a third hand for him. It helped him hang from the branch of a tree. He also used it to lift objects which were beyond his hands' reach. He has very small hands, but his tail is very big. That's why it was served as a third hand. Okay. Okay. Grandmother always first. Now, first, what is the meaning of first? Against. Okay. What is the meaning of first?
Against.
Okay. So, grandmother always first when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So, it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. Now, peg is hook. What is a peg? A hook. उसको बांधने के लिए जो हुक लगाया था उन्होंने वहां पे, ठीक है. सीक्रेट क्लोसेट होता है जैसे नार्निया स्टोरी में था, है ना, वैसे. तो वहां उसको रखा. So the writer's grandmother was against grandfather's attitude of bringing new pets, birds and animals. So the grandfather thought that they would conceal this fact. They will hide this fact from her grandmother until she is in a good mood. At that time, he was disclosed this to, at that time, they would disclose this to her. The writer and his grandfather secured Toto in a little cupboard in the writer's room in order to be sure that Toto did not escape. They tied him to a hook in the wall. Few hours later, let me scroll it more. Few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick plaster. And the peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, and my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. Now, what is happening? Now, ornamental means सब इतने शांत रहोगे तो कैसे चलेगा
And
भाई?
jewelry.
Ma'am, jewelry type material.
Decorative. Ornamental means decorative. Okay. Now here, naked wall means uncovered. Earlier, grandfather has put some beautiful wallpapers over there, and now it was removed and only plaster was there. Wrenched. What is the meaning of wrenched?
Wet.
Ma'am,
नाखून से खोतर दिया.
Broken. Wrenched
broken.
means broken. Okay, socket.
ma'am, the plug where electricity is passed.
Yes, ma'am. Socket.
Attachment. Socket here means attachment, not the electrical plug. Okay. Shreds. Shreds तो सबको पता होगा. क्या किया होगा hook का उसने?
Chuthde.
Yes, cut into thin slices. That is called shreds. Okay. So the writer and his grandfather went to Toto after a few hours. The sight was shocking. Toto had torn the decorative wallpaper. He had broken the hook and had escaped from the binding. Also, he tore the writer's blazer into thin pieces. But grandfather was very happy with his act. Dharya Sangani,
Yes, ma'am.
keep your mic on mute.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you go down?
Yes, I'm doing that. Bhavya Patel. Okay, you was telling me to scroll. Like that I was about to do.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Fine. He is clever, said grandfather. Given time, I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window. अभी यहाँ बेचारा बच्चा तो इस चीज पर दिमाग खराब करके बैठा है कि अभी अगर ग्रैनी ने देख लिया, ग्रैंड मदर ने देख लिया कि मेरे कोट की क्या हालत हुई है, तो हम ग्रैंड मदर को क्या जवाब देंगे। एंड ग्रैंड फादर इज लाइक काफी क्लेवर है ये तो, अगर इस पे टाइम दिया जाए तो ये जो श्रेड्स इसने तुम्हारे कोट के किए हैं, ये एक दिन उससे रोप बना करके यहाँ से भाग भी सकता है। What kind of person he is? Okay, he's
मैम
quite
सिचुएशन
delighted.
के हिसाब से एक्सप्रेशंस रॉन्ग थे।
हाँ
सिचुएशंस के हिसाब से एक्सप्रेशंस रॉन्ग दिए ग्रैंडफादर ने।
हाँ वही, मतलब बच्चा ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा होगा कि वो एकदम से worried हो जाएंगे, and he was delighted to see. He was delighted to see the Toto's adventure. So it was the first adventure of Toto. Okay, now you got it. This is the first adventure of Toto in the chapter. Okay, will you remember it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So he is very delighted to see this adventure and felt that Toto was very clever. He said that if he would have given him more time, he would have tied the thin pieces. या तो वो लोग जल्दी आ गए अंदर. Otherwise, he would have time. If you would have given time, he would have tied the pieces of the writer's torn blazer into a rope and would have escaped out of the window. His presence in the house still a secret. Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servant quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits. अभी तो बहुत कुछ होने वाला है. It's a very interesting story. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, or for a while my pet goat. But the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. Sociably means in a very friendly manner they all were living.
Peaceful manner.
Yeah, peaceful and very friendly manner. Again the doorbell. And I don't know who the person is. Let me see. Ruko. Let me on the camera. Hi everyone. I have a very small student here. Mokshit, say hi. Mokshit, goat is also there. G for goat. Say hi. बस ऐसे hi करके दो. देखो सबकी आवाज आएगी. Hi करो सब लोग.
Hi.
Hi.
I have kept it on this way, na? That's why. See, everybody is watching you, Mokshit. Chalo. Okay, bye. Chalo, I'm coming back within 1 second. 1 second, just 1 second. Okay, I'm coming back within 1 second. Here I come. So
I'm back. I'm back. Sorry to keep you all waiting. He's a very small child, not going to school even. So, okay, fine. So where were we? Sociably. Sociably means in a very friendly manner. Yes, friendly manner. So, and Toto was shifted to the servant quarter in a big cage. Okay, but he didn't let any other animal to sleep. Those who were before before coming of the Toto, they all were living in a very peaceful manner. Okay, who all were there in the zoo?
Ma'am, tortoise, pair of rabbit, a tame squirrel,
A squirrel.
a
A
Pair
goat.
of rabbit.
goat.
Pair of
And
rabbit.
the writer's pet goat. Okay. So Toto was very mischievous. He didn't let any animal to sleep. So next day, when the grandfather has to leave for Saharanpur to collect his pension, he decided to take Toto along. Now let's see. This was the second adventure of Toto, that he didn't let any animal sleep. What he is doing next, that we will learn now. Let me scroll it a little bit more. Yes. Unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on that trip, but he told me about it afterwards. Writer तो गए नहीं थे. अभी क्या क्या हुआ जो grandfather बाद में बता रहे हैं. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This, with some straw at the bottom, became his abode. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor and or occasionally jump into the air. An exhibition that attracted a curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. अभी मंकी को अगर बैग में बंद किया, कैनवस बैग में बंद किया, तो क्या हो रहा होगा? He must be jumping. The bag was also jumping. When he was trying to come out, the bag was rolling on the platform. So it was become a talk of the town. Abode means home. Okay, abode means home. The writer was yes.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of abode?
Home, home. ABODE is written now in the paragraph. That means home.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm explaining this paragraph. The writer was disappointed as he was not able to go, not able to accompany grandfather on this trip. His grandfather narrated the happenings of the trip to him later. He had got a special bag of for Toto. It was made of a strong material, canvas. He placed some dry grass at the bottom of the bag. On the trip, the bag would be Toto's home, as he would give he was about to live in it. Okay, the bag had a zipper on the top of it, but the Toto was not capable of holding that to open it. Okay, the writer's grandfather ensured that when the bag is closed, Toto would not be able to escape out of it. Neither could he come out of the opening as he was closed with a zipper, nor could it bite the strong canvas material in order to run away. Still, Toto made unsuccessful attempts to come out of the bag. And in those one, many times the bag rolled on the floor, as it would certainly jump in the air. These movements were noticed by the people on the railway platform and made them curious to know what is inside the bag. Okay, Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. Okay, turnstile means What is turnstile? आपने रेलवे स्टेशन पे या कहीं पर आयरन या स्टील के ऐसे रॉड वाले गेट्स देखे होंगे जो रोल होते हैं और आप निकल सकते हैं जब आप उस पर टिकट एंटर करते हैं, स्पेशली मेट्रो पे होते हैं वो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ouch, I don't know what happened to my
Yes,
eye.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I'm just rubbing it. Okay, तो उस टाइप के गेट पे he was there and consisting of revolving horizontal arms fixed to a vertical post, okay, allowing only one person at a time to pass through. Toto remained secured in grandfather's bag till Saharanpur. At the Saharanpur railway station, the writer's grandfather was taking out his ticket to cross the turnstile. At that time, Toto peeked out of the bag and smiled at the ticket collector. The poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you? You'll have to pay for it accordingly." Annoyance? What is the meaning of annoyance? क्या हो गया सबको?
Ma'am, furious?
एक मिनट.
Get annoyed?
मेरी आंख में क्या हो गया? Annoyance means to anger someone.
Ma'am.
Annoyance means to anger someone. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The monkey was a monkey, but why did the ticket collector say it was a dog?
Nah, he didn't understand actually what it was. Because he just peeped out his head and smiled at him. So he just said that he was.
But he could recognize that it was a
Ah,
monkey.
see, actually he got scared and he got back. पता नहीं कि क्या है बैग के अंदर और वो पीछे हो गया. So he didn't notice what it is. So he said. So ticket collector was astonished to see a monkey in grandfather's bag. He recovered quickly and asked grandfather to pay the ticket money for traveling with a dog. Okay, because that time only dogs were having that tax. ना अब अभी monkey के लिए क्या tax मांगेगा वो अलग से. तो उसने dog का presentation दिया यहाँ पे. Okay. In vain did our grandfather take Toto out of the bag. Okay, let me scroll it a little bit, otherwise I'll get that way. Okay. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Now he wanted the fare of that pet, that's why he counted him as dog. Although grandfather tried to make him sure that it is not a dog and it is a monkey. But the ticket collector did not agree with that, and the grandfather has to pay 3 rupees for his ticket. Okay. In vain means he had made an unsuccessful attempt, and quadruped means, what is the meaning of quadruped? Here it is written, did not qualify as a monkey or even as a quadruped. Now quadruped means an animal who is walking on 4 feet. Okay, just like dog. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
सारे सो गए हो क्या है? मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
No, ma'am.
मैम सो नहीं गए, हम आपको सुन रहे हैं.
आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं वो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि सब सुन रहे हैं. It seems like you all are sleeping. Let me switch on the cameras of yours. मैंने वो क्लोज करके रखा है तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा कि कौन क्या कहाँ है. हाँ अभी दिख रहा है मुझे. ये सब मुझे सुन रहे हैं. I'm feeling good now. धैर्य क्या खाने में लगा है?
नहीं, वो मैगी बना रहे.
तो भाई बैठ करके पहले पढ़ाई कर लो, बाद में बना लेना अपनी मैगी. बीच में मैगी बनाने लगा है लड़का.
2 मिनट बनी गई. हाँ मैं सुन रहा हूँ मैं आपको.
Okay. Okay, fine. So, and fair means ticket price. Okay. So grandfather was unsuccessful. Keep yourself on mute. There, you are disturbing us. Yes. अरे म्यूट करने बोला था, कैमरा ऑफ करने नहीं बोला है. Okay. Grandfather was unsuccessful in explaining to the ticket collector that Toto was a monkey and not a dog. He insisted that Toto was not even an animal with 4 feet, because monkeys, or most of the time, they walk on 2 feet, right? But the ticket collector was firm that Toto fell in the category of dogs. Grandfather had to pay 3 rupees for Toto's ticket. Okay. Okay. Then grandfather, just to get his own back, took from his pocket out our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" To get his own back means to take revenge. To get his own back means, it's an idiom which means to take revenge. Okay, बेटा इसको मार्क करेंगे और इसके ऊपर लिखेंगे idiom, because जब ग्रामर आता है लिटरेचर के साथ में, तो चैप्टर के बीच में से ही क्वेश्चंस फ्रेम होते हैं ग्रामर के. ओके, इट्स एन idiom which means to take revenge. तो ग्रैंडफादर ने रिवेंज के लिए क्या किया? वेरी फनी थिंग. He took out the tortoise from his pocket and said, अब आप इसका क्या लोगे जब आप सब एनिमल्स को के ऊपर टैक्सेस लगा रहे हो, टिकट ले रहे हो, तो इसका क्या लेने वाले हो आप?
बदला.
So grandfather was disappointed, and in order to take revenge from the ticket collector, he took out his pet
Ma'am,
tortoise.
he was angry.
He was
मैम
angry.
वो ताना मार रहा था उसको.
He was doing this. Okay, so
ताना
he
मारा.
asked,
ताना मारा.
Tana Mara. He asked if he was supposed to buy a ticket for that too. Ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with his forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look, and said, "No charge. It's not a dog." मेरे एक्सप्रेशन अच्छे थे नहीं?
Yes.
मैम वो जेब में टोटस लेके घूमता है. जेब में टोटस लेके घूमता है.
वो जेब में tortoise लेके घूम रहा था. Prodded means pushed. Prodded means pushed. Okay. So the ticket collector took a close look at the tortoise. He pushed slightly and announced that grandfather was not required to buy any ticket for it, and it is not falling in the category of dog. Why? Why it is not falling in the category of dog? It was also walking on the 4 legs. You need to put a charge on it. Okay, let me scroll it more. Okay. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable, where he had a companion, the family donkey. Donkey Nana. Now donkey's name is Nana. In Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. To his surprise, he found Nana without apparent cause, pulling at the halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from the bundle of hay. Now I'll explain you this thing. Wait, I know it is bouncer. मैम नहीं समझ आया क्या हुआ, है ना? Okay. तो स्टेबल समझ में आ गया? स्टेबल क्या होता है?
Ma'am,
A stable होता है ना, where the horses and donkeys are kept. Okay. Although stable is only for horses, but grandfather has put the donkey in the stable. Halter. It's a strap or loop placed around the head of a horse. Placed around the head of a horse or other animal used for leading or tethering it. Means उनको directions देने के लिए जो मुंह से ऐसे बांधते हैं ना गले में, that type of. Okay. So writer's grandmother finally came to know of Toto's presence, and they allotted a place to him. And what was that place?
Table.
Table. Yes. Where with whom he had to share the table?
Donkey Nana.
Yes, the donkey whose name was Nana. On the first night in this stable, grandfather visited Toto. He found Nana restless. Pulling its rope in order to stay away from the heap of hay. Now, why was he doing so? Let's see. Grandfather gave Nana a slap across
Ma'am,
the.
but what
Across
was, I don't understood.
what you have not understood?
Ma'am, what was Nana doing?
He was trying to go away from the heap of hay. सूखी घास का ढेर होता है ना, उससे दूर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. वो रेस्टलेस था और उससे दूर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. यानी कि 100% टोटो ने उसको परेशान किया होगा वहां पे. अभी क्या किया है वो हम पता लगाते हैं. ठीक है. तो ग्रैंडफादर ने नाना को एक स्लैप दिया अक्रॉस द हॉन्चेस. हॉन्चेस मींस उसके बैक पे उसको एक स्लैप दिया. एंड she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. He had fastened onto her long ears with his strap with little teeth. Toto and Nana never became friends. Now what was happening? Grandfather hit on the back of the donkey in order to stop it. Nana jumped back with a jerk and Toto was dragged along with her. ठीक है. वो टोटो उसको बहुत ज्यादा परेशान कर रहा था. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, तो ये पैराग्राफ हम खत्म करते हैं. उसके बाद कितना बाकी है? अभी काफी बाकी है. ठीक है. तो ये पेज पे हम पेज नंबर 9 पे हम फिनिश करते हैं ना. 9 है ना. ठीक है. रिमेम्बर दिस थिंग. पेज नंबर 9 पे हम फिनिश कर ना. 9 पे हम फिनिश कर रहे हैं. पेज नंबर 10 से हमें स्टार्ट करना है नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. इसको फिनिश करते हैं. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was the large bowl of warm water given by grandmother for his bath. He would cunningly test the temperature of his with his hand, then gradually step into the bath. First one foot, then the other, as he had seen me doing. It means narrator को जैसे उसने देखा ना वैसे ही वो भी कर रहा है. Until he was into the water up to his neck. Once comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself all over. When the water became cold, he would get out and run as quickly as he could to the kitchen fire in order to dry himself. If anyone laughed at him during this performance, Toto's feelings would be hurt and he would refuse to go on with his bath. One day, Toto nearly succeeded. अच्छा, ये तो बहुत आगे निकल गए हम लोग है ना. नेक तक ही है. ओके, इनटू द नेक. ओके, ठीक है. तो नेक तक जब पानी होता है वहां तक वो बैठा रहता है उसमें. चलो अभी हम बाकी का एडवेंचर जो भी है ये टोटो का यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. इतना एक्सप्लेन किया मैंने, समझ में आ गया अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई डाउट है तो मार्क करके रखना. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग
मैम
स्टार्ट करेंगे.
मतलब
ठीक है.
फाइनली उन्होंने टोटो को घर में ही रख दिया.
घर पे ही रखना था ना उसको. तो बस दादी को बताने से हिचकिचा रहे थे, फिर फाइनली बता दिया दादी को.
मैम पहले स्टेबल में रखा, फिर केज में रखा.
आप घर में है वो, क्योंकि वो किसी को रहने नहीं दे रहा था तो उसको सिर्फ इंसान ही झेल सकते थे, इसलिए उसको फाइनली घर पे रखा. ठीक है. अब
Yes.
मेरा कैमरा इधर है, मेरा कैमरा इधर है और तुम लोग इधर हो, तो मेरा फोकस उधर रहता है और ऐसा लगता है कि मैं पता नहीं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. चलो, बाय एवरीवन.
बाय
Good night.
बाय
Take
मैम.
care of yourselves. Okay, we will continue the chapter in the next lecture.
Okay.
Bye.
बाय मैम.
Bye bye.